If you are experiencing a screen glitch on Roblox Mobile, such as a black screen flickering, stretched display, or unresponsive touch, then here are two methods to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Then tap on the iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, scroll down and look for the Roblox option available there and simply tap on it. Now tap on the Upload app option available there and clear the cache of the Roblox. After that, restart your device, hold the power button and restart your phone and launch the Roblox again. But if the glitch persists, then all you have to do is simply delete the Roblox app and reinstall it by the help of Google Play Store or App Store and try log into it again. But if none of these work, then also you will have to go to the Roblox support. Before doing anything, also check your internet connection because poor connection can sometimes cause visual issues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.